12 habits that make you more socially appealing. Most of the time, the things that attract people the most are the ones you don't have to shout about. Being quietly attractive means having habits that naturally make others gravitate towards you with subtle but meaningful gestures. This video dives into the habits that can really boost your silent charm, making sure people notice and remember you, even when things are chill. These habits aren't about changing who you are, but about making the most of what already makes you cool, like having that understated charm and a laid-back confidence. Let's dive in. Number 1. Choose to be real. When you're just being you and embracing what makes you special, you really stand out. Being real shines bright, especially in a world full of fake stuff. When you stick to who you are, you naturally attract people who dig your depth and sincerity. It's all about building trust and respect, which sets the stage for making connections that really mean something. Number 2. Dress to express. Fashion is a silent language that says a lot about your personality, and the essence lies not in the cost or mindless chase of trends, but in communicating who you are through your appearance. By choosing outfits that reflect your personal style and fit your body type, you convey confidence and individuality. When your external presentation aligns with your inner self, it creates a coherent and attractive image that draws people toward you. Number 3. Master body language. Body language says a lot without you having to talk. How you sit, your facial expressions, and eye contact all show how confident and approachable you are. When you work on these cues, you can say a ton without even opening your mouth. Standing tall shows you're confident. A friendly smile makes people feel at ease, and making eye contact shows you're interested. These signals make you someone others want to be around without you needing to say a thing. Number 4. Find your signature scent. A signature scent is more than just a personal preference. It's a form of identity. Fragrances have the ability to evoke memories, trigger emotions, and leave a lasting impression on those you encounter. Choose a scent that complements your natural aroma and aligns with your personality. It will serve as an invisible yet unforgettable accessory that adds a layer of charm to your appeal. Number 5. Stand out with etiquette. Having good manners and knowing your etiquette stuff never goes out of style. It shows you respect others and pay attention in social situations, whether it's knowing which fork to use at a fancy dinner or how to take a compliment without being awkward. Etiquette makes you look really good. It tells people you care about how they feel and makes you seem classy and polished. Number 6. Be present. In today's busy world, being totally present is a standout quality. When you give someone your full attention, it shows you really appreciate them and the time you're spending together. Actively listening and not constantly checking your phone makes people feel understood and respected. Bringing up little details later on shows you care, and it makes you even more likable. Number 7. Don't reveal everything about yourself. It's cool to share bits of yourself strategically. You decide what parts of your story to reveal and what to keep private, at least at first. This adds an air of mystery to who you are, drawing others in to learn more about you over time. Keeping some things under wraps not only sparks curiosity, but also keeps people interested in getting to know you better. Number 8. Develop cultural literacy. Getting into different cultures, languages, and what's happening in the world can really up your game. Being into this stuff shows you're curious and respect how diverse the world is. Plus, it gives you cool things to talk about and shows you dig global perspectives. Being in the know about different cultures and current events makes you interesting, especially to folks who value smarts and understanding. Number 9. Show empathy and compassion. Showing empathy and compassion is a powerful way to connect with people. It means really getting where someone's coming from and being there with support and kindness when they need it. Being able to connect emotionally and genuinely care builds strong bonds. It shows you're all about meaningful relationships, which is super attractive. Number 10. Embrace humor. Humor is like a secret code that brings people closer and makes everyone feel cozy. You don't need to be the life of the party. Just drop a funny line or a playful jab now and then. It shows you've got good timing and can find the fun in everyday stuff, which makes hanging out with you easy and enjoyable. Number 11, take good care of yourself. Self-care reflects self-respect. Taking care of your physical and mental health shows that you value yourself, which in turn makes you more attractive to others. A healthy lifestyle improves your mood, energy levels, and overall appearance, contributing to a magnetic, vibrant presence. This radiance of well-being is silently appealing as it signals vitality and a positive outlook on life. Number 12, don't be available all the time. Again, there's an undeniable allure in a little mystery. Not being immediately available all the time creates a sense of value around your time and presence. And it's not about playing hard to get, but about showing that you have a life full of interests and commitments. This sense of independence makes your company more desirable and enhances your silent attraction by creating a balance between accessibility and autonomy. There you have it. You really don't need to be the loudest or most visible person to be deeply appealing to those around you. From just being yourself to taking care of yourself, each habit we talked about helps you make a strong, understated impression. When you work on these things, you move through life with quiet confidence, making sure your cool vibe sticks with people long after you've left. What do you think? Do you agree with above list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you will never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching.